Sum of digits or digital root for user 5783887 of CODEWARS. KATA explanation. Digital root is the recursive sum of all the digits in a number. Given n, take the sum of the digits of n. If that value has more than one digit, continue reducing in this way until a single-digit number is produced. The input will be a non-negative integer. Examples: 16, 1 plus 6 equals 7. 942, 9 plus 4 plus 2 equals 15, 1 plus 5 equals 6. The solution is through recursive functions that are to say can be defined as a routine that calls itself directly or indirectly. In this way. So we convert the integer to a string. Then we check if the string is a single character. If so, is return number underscore string. Otherwise, we create a count variable. In the loop, we iterate on the string for each character. Every one character is converted to an integer and added to the counter. We reassign the number underscore string variable with the counter variable. Re-invoke the function, but this time we take number underscore string as an argument. Here is where use the recursive function. For more information, visit these links. Best solution. Read right to left. First, convert the number in the string and map every one character of the string with the function int. Later each number is passed through the sum method and the result will be the new argument for the recursive function. For last we check if the number is lower than 10, if so returns number, otherwise, return the function recursively.